Hello guys, this is Crypto Dutchie, and this is my 6th audit video for the 6th trade I took with my challenge of my paper trading account for 10,000. We are gonna go into VBI Vaccines. I found this one on my own using a stock screener on the internet. I think it was Findus, I think. I'm not even sure anymore. I think I lost the site as well. I need to look it up. But yeah, I found this chart and it looks somewhat promising again. And I will go over it why I think that this is going to be a decent one. Or maybe a brilliant one, but we will go over that very soon. Let's start on the weekly again. This chart started in 2014, so they are pretty new. Apparently, I am wrong. This whole stock was actually all the way over here. So yeah, I don't know what happened to this company, but this is ridiculous what happened. Something very bad happened to this thing. It was there in 1990 for 43, and currently we're sitting at, what is it? At 3 a share, 324. So something terrible went with this this stock here. So we are gonna keep all of this out of order because we cannot really look at it. Are you not gonna sort now? Oh no, I have to do this manually. So yeah, we are now very low. 0 is over here. It was close to 0, this stock. And it looks like it is recovering. And why do I think so? Well, first of all, this stock stopped over here. So this is a big resistance line. It went all the way up over here. Then it went back here with some support, and then it got support again, and then it broke the support. It tested this as resistance, and then it went further down again. Very nice rounding action here. Makes a higher low. And went straight up to this point again. Went a little bit higher. Sold off again. Went below this big and key resistance point, and now it's above it. And it tested it as well with the candle from 2 weeks ago. And it did not break this resistance. It's not the only thing. The blue line is the moving average at 200, and we are now above it again. So we can maybe use the moving average as our support. Together with that, there is a possibility on this stock that we're going to get a head and shoulders. And if that's going to play out, we are going to be, well, we're going to have the trade of the year, I think. Because it went all the way up here, there, to here, back to the neckline of the head and shoulders. Now we are forming the second shoulder. It could take some time. Maybe it's going to take the whole of 2021. Or we are going to go back towards the 6th point. But when we break this resistance area of 6.6 and 6.8, I think we are going to go straight back to 19, because that is what happened before. It's not for nothing that this happened before. This is happening when there is not enough supply and when there is not enough demand. So why would there be supply now when we go above this line? I think there's a recent chance that we are going to get this target over here. And if you reach this target, it's 12. Then we have a 400% almost on a small portion of our trade. Because that's of course not my only target. We will target some over here as well. But yeah, on the weekly, not bad. We are back above this super important resistance and see if we can hold it now. If we cannot hold it, then I think I have to say goodbye and get stopped out and go to another trade. Also on the MACD, we have some very nice hidden bullish divergence. We make higher high in price, but our indicator is saying a lower low, a higher low in price, a lower low on the MACD. And now we are going to positive momentum again. Hopefully we are going to see the target of 6.6, 6.55 again for this trade. You can see the targets. I put one over here, just below this horizontal resistance line, where it was respected a couple of times over here, at 4.95. I'm going to sell almost half of my position there. The second one is over here at 6.54, just a bit lower than the resistance. Don't take any risk, I just want to get my profits over there. And my other target is the head and shoulders pattern completion. It went from here to the neckline. We measure how much that is. 6.08. We put the 6.08 above the neckline here. Then this is the target of the head and shoulders. And there I'm going to sell 80 shares. So 79 here, 150, and 80 over here. And that are the targets on VBI. The technicals tell me that this is going up, and I have to listen to it. Now that was the weekly. Also on the daily we see some more support, more reasons to go long on this thing. Because you can see here again, the 200 daily average is now also below the price, and it's hopefully going to get used as a support line. We have 3 higher lows. Very nice. We are above, of course, the super big horizontal resistance, and we have also hidden bullish divergence on daily, on the MACD and the RSI. We make higher lows on the price, while we make lower lows on the indicators. Hidden bullish divergence tells us that we are going this way again, and let's hope that's going to happen. Could also maybe see some sort of head and shoulders here, but I don't really like it. Then it's from here to here, and then this would be the target. I can paint it over here. From here to... yeah, it did not really complete. Maybe we do it conservative. Put it over there. And then when it breaks... why I can't see it? Why I can't see my thing? What is happening? No, it's not working. Really? Oh, there it is. Yeah, then it would be... this would be the neckline. This would be a bit of a higher high than the neckline, so it's not very nice. But then we put it here, and then that would mean that this head and shoulders, within the head and shoulders, the target of this pattern would also be at my first profit taking target. It's 2.8, so it's not 3.0. But yeah, I saw this chart yesterday, and of course I was a bit too late again. But if I want to enter now, then I'm actually sure that I'm having a decent entry. And see what happens. I mean, there is some sort of head and shoulders here. So let's just keep this on the chart, I think. So yeah. Profit takings just below some resistance line that I took from here. Was very respected over here and 2 times over here. I'm going to sit a little bit lower. This is of course the top of this top. That's my second profit taking. And yeah, if we are going to break this massive head and shoulders pattern, then I think we are going to go to 12. And that would be amazing, because that would be 286% profit. That could take years. Maybe it's never going to finish. But let's hope that we are going to get our first target of what is it? 4.94 a share. And then we sell half of our position. Put the stop losses to break even to my entry point, so we don't lose a trade anymore. And if we get stopped out, we go to a new trade. It's as simple as that. So yeah, we have a lot of reasons to go long. 3 higher highs. We are above the 200 daily moving average. We are above the critical resistance. We have hidden bullish divergence on the MACD and RSI. And on the weekly, we are also above the 200 moving average. We are having also hidden bullish divergence on the MACD, and we are maybe getting some sort of head and shoulders pattern. So we have a lot of reasons to go long, and let's see what happens here. But yeah, this video was just after the last video. Our trades are doing okay. We are having a profit of almost 500 right now, but this tells nothing because we don't hit any targets. This is just working money. When this number goes up, then I think we hit a target. And before we hit the target, this could all go back to 0 or below 0 again. So we will see. We're having a very good trade at the moment on AMC. I showed it in the last video as well. It's going really, really good. This is a very moderate target in my opinion. I think we're gonna reach that maybe even this week. I really think we're gonna reach that this week. Maybe in 2 days. If the momentum continues, yes. But we're gonna see, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will. You know, if 6 trades, we have room for 4 more. And yeah, I'm just monitoring some of these stocks here, seeing what they're gonna do. And I will see you in the next video for an audit or when something happened with stop losses or break profit targets. So hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.